it's so important that everybody is aware of the legal system, what the law is and how it affects us, and especially young people, that have already had involvement in the criminal justice system. More than anybody else, they really crucially need to know the law and have that legal empowerment. For me, legal empowerment is not just knowing the law, it's being visionary about it. It's being able to think, if the law is wrong, how do we change it? They introduced mandatory minimum sentencing for knife crime. So if you have possession of a knife, you're definitely going to go to prison. And it was supposed to be a deterrent to young people, but we were working with young people that are carrying weapons every day and asking them, does this law, will it prevent you from carrying the weapon? And they're saying, but if it's not taking away the threat on my life, then no, like I'll rather go to prison than get killed. Sending young people on a conveyor belt into the prison system, which is much more violent than the environment, has more drugs than the environment, like still has crime just like the environment, and not actually prioritizing their mental health, prioritizing any kind of education or rehabilitation, not prioritizing helping them progress in life. You're just keeping them there just as punishment, even though our legal system says it has many aims, punishment only being one of them. You can't simultaneously want to punish and want to help people progress in life, because it's inconsistent, and our legal system is very much focused on the punishment rather than the rehabilitation. For us as an organisation, it's about being very vocal and challenging what is currently happening and challenging particular laws and policies, for example like joint enterprise, which aren't really about solving a problem. They are making it worse, and they are just over criminalising young people and bringing young people into crimes that they haven't even committed. There are hundreds of young people in prison for murders that they didn't do, that are doing 25 years, 30 years. And to be honest, if I was a parent, my child had been killed, and you told me that we're looking up 15 children for doing it, would it make me feel better? Especially if they weren't involved in it. Like, I wouldn't want people that didn't have nothing to do with it to be in prison for years. Why legal empowerment is so important is because young people aren't really consulted around the law or politics at all, because they're seen as too young to vote, so it doesn't really matter what they think. But they are going to have this society next. They will be the adults in the society next, and laws are going to be their laws too. They are also citizens of this country, and the law still impacts them, so why wouldn't we teach them the law?